Okay, let's go again and we'll do another question. I've prepared it here. Okay, I found this beauty for us, and so here we have 6 cos theta minus 5 sine theta equals 0, and we're in the boundary of 0. Theta is between 0 and 180. I'm not going to draw the graph just yet because I'm going to focus on this bit. This is something we haven't quite seen yet. Well, the last question, we saw that we had 2 different trigonometric ratios, but we're going to solve it slightly different, and it's with prior knowledge that we're going to solve it. And we need to know that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. And if you don't know how I derive this, it's not necessary to know how I derive this, but if you want some background information, I'd really recommend you see the video that I've done. It's called trigonometric trigonometric, I think that's still spelled wrong, ratios, no, not ratios. So if you want to see how this was derived, which I really highly recommend, go to the video on trigonometric identities, and it will just say tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. Just look for that, and that'll show you how to derive that. So anyway, let's carry on. So we want this in the form of this. So to do that, so you want like sine over cos. Okay, so let's just take that over. So we're going to get 6 cos theta equals 5 sine theta. Then we're going to get theta equals 5 sine theta divided by 6 cos theta. And then we just have to recognize that we've got it now in the form of this. Okay, so we can now just say that sine theta over 5 sine theta over 6 cos theta equals 5 6 theta tan theta. Let's just write that out, just so you can. Often when you say it, just can be a bit confusing. Okay, get back. So we got to here, and excuse me. So let's take the cos theta over there to get it in that form. So that will give us 5 sine theta over cos theta. And so now we've got it in that form, so we can just basically turn this to a different colour. We can basically turn that into that, so we can say that we have 6 equals 5 tan theta. And then now we've got it nice and neat, and we can just basically solve for theta. So if we just put theta back on that side, and we'll actually, that's going to confuse, that could get a bit confusing. So let's just take the 5 over to give us 6 fifths tan theta, and now we can just take it, the tan theta over 6 over 5, and then we'll just solve that, which should be pretty simple. We're sort of home and dry now, I'd say. So let's just stick that in our calculator. So we've got 10 to the minus 1. We've missed out that, and we've got 6 divided by 5. So I make it 50.19. Let's call it 50.2. Round up to 1 decimal place, or 3 significant figures, whichever way you want to look at it. So now let's just, we don't really need to draw it out, because one of the tips when you're dealing with tan, okay, when you're dealing with tan, you can always, all we have to do is just go up 180. or below 180. So subtract or add 180, and it depends what you need. We're only going from 0 to 180, but let's just change that to 360, okay? And see what we get. So then it would be 50 plus 180, okay, for the second term, and then for the third term for the second term, and then for the third term it's just 50 plus 180 plus 180, okay. So you'd get 230.2. You know, if you extended the boundary, it's plus another 180, which is 410. So like tan's like really easy. You just have to remember. I mean, you don't have to draw. It saves you drawing it out if you know this information. It really does save you a bit of time. So call that 90, and you know, you can kind of, if you have to draw these out, then it's just annoying, isn't it? And then so you have to find 50, which is about here, and you have to do it there, and it's just, you don't want to do that. Just make sure you know that with its tan, you can go up plus 180. So that's that question, and we're going to do another one in the next episode. So see you then.